episode for higher GC News. Bima Ubibia Aquaba had the latest hot and qua Aremeyaw Bromo. Erunti Sawunya subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. The bayan say over click a year subscribe button. Na wabele notification. We answer video for be upload when the first person once ebeka a video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fee. Share my wafufro so now when you be here now and somewhere koso ewo Ghana be mo hanom afi ye hwe eye somewhere abeto ye pono so yiti eye sankomo ya ba beto ya sa report mama yiti
nti sinu so a nyame ya adomo a nkrofo asabi ota frache on da baby sabi ebinu eda ye camera pa ebre
yeah
ebinu dan kura esrem nsu to hawon
so
bin ma wura Hopeson bin mo containers m enye ni nyina ne beka se omampani yentwe yani ne yanhwe won enti wo a yama wa pontin enye dan ufiri constituency bim so be kakra nyamia wa domo a wonsa so mu bim priwachi koye wa doye kakra ewo ho be mobile phone so many free. So say be no be free one information be. Say papa, say your bonny. And then me angasa kra me no ti hey. My friend pay me for be 3 bia. Yam pick. Nka tell you about phone be nka be fan so I am pick. But me fan say bia. No I busy.
We busy we
are. Into the Brunei and miss call phone
so a fan is say mrewo.
So enti ogboni no so odi we ne ban phone e bre yen kwala so na yo to who say e busy o go to the miss call e kan say be ya wi ado say miss call ba phone so no wa return
very well
so
Chief Bugabi kasha bro that could be a so Bugabi kakra me de beka senior man Sammy won say no sebi party ne de obi azo a party no ni a ozo free baby enye nipa nyina wo ka sembi and wa mama ni age enepa minim kwa me fa so ma wani ji na mehwe afasa akwan so ama wo so ni achi osi enye yenyina na ebe ya appointee and the fact because buy ne kra no hwe nipa dodo ho anyu nyina na beko emo de ebe ya ne se wakoya appointee na wadu no zo wi obi si obi
disappointed
her party ni mu aha na nka onye obi a but bibi so na enim de bi na mo wakoya obi nti se ukoya obi na akotena ho a
boni
obi eba ona so a sebi president o hwe ni sa nka wo amfrew ti obi ba ona so na ozo abie ni kwa ba ye mo de ye be ba na se obeye ho so ye guy na wunti ayi ni bebi ayi fi aba bedu ha dakro tie konwa no so ayi nsa kan wa ebetwe mo abetena fom asem sebe
damasi injulo zebra ufe na wa
fa club second no dey pie free Ghana Port and Harbors. Now the moment you will criticize impression no it affect us international Ukraine reputation no it was anything because if you have a porter a war customs any preventive exercise omo boho baya you make sure say adie bia e wo ho a wa import aba no the necessary process also come no ubefemu no na impression bia ba say e ho no as tomato bi to me wura ho no asoa kakra no de piepe na ma a raise alarm bia enye necessary muga did America say this whole saga no so we need minima then you appreciate the cartel is bigger than the white powder that people do. It's a grand cartel. They operate in a way. Na neme bi en yomaso kakra mama onu watie for atiase. Mugabe say ye kase obi ekra adifri amanoni aba emfa ho so ye ECG. anawe Mugabe anaye Kyeremanteng practice I wo ho mra da port na ide adwuma ne se obi kra de ni fi abrochiri ba ewumu first 21 days no so tumi bomodin nanka utumi take delivery of the cargo. However, 21 days no want to me take care extended 60 days. After the 60 days, when to me nisa cargo no, i.e. container, car, whatever you want to call it, it becomes a state asset because the state will confiscate it. Now, common aid in the Anhemu who will be a dream niwa. Yet the best referee na Akufo bi omo tinche omo Brofu yes the technocrat. Brofu was your businessman, was your importer. Na Akufo no did dream. Near the ababe share me nature ma ya who said the be politics. And he too who was a politics na ye be there. Now say cargo no eco this 60 days na eco state. If not bisa who say businessman ben obi to me shipping more than 500 container na kahabo not you know that's what the be ka ho. Obe no. Obe kra container tempo. I want to be is gain you na wa say akra 10 abebi so. No. Anti say ECG say hwan you obi hia no man na obe kra. Answer na minister ebenya ho wind no. Enye nipa na we fom and ebe hu say hia we ni nti yen kra sa no man mbra. Procurement na den so. Very well, procurement. And you know the issue here is say first of all no na the ebesi hu ebisa ni say containers na according to minister 1300 and something aira first yes 3000 after your core physically almost 25 and the trigger no man ka say any audit ye kwaya audit no na according to him no committee in the report of the bill na say over 1300 aira fi say 2500 nim what I want to make sure say port area in cannot tina camera ni habon and crofo ye kanana obekunya fa agent bi abom na importer bi no makom ho abom ani aye azani enya crofo so aye adwuma ho to support and we be now was here tema no be na TV ama was I we be na enye papa ye pie ya na atitim and no ye krono. Now they also establishing is I'm a person ECG for one case one go be one tom and as a minister kana me tigana for a tin say 2500 containers need no be irano and your containers are a brew 60 days a could be UCL ana that is uncleared cargo list. Ubisa. Big question mark. The moment I ever catch me say eko si UCL pen me who say ampa eko UCL no na cartel for ni start your adwuma. Na cartel for no adwuma omo ye ne say ECG na clear import no man na went to me and clear. No bi no clear ni so omo to be clear into obesha da ama na ba na be caport o. E be caport o na say eko UCL why UCL no under the confiscated asset committee no. Sa ayino ekowa na omo akwakoye kana na say oh ade no Mugabe beba enti Mugabe ba bo shin no na enko Mugabe ho eko Mugabe ho a Mugabe gia no no so akono ayede no akwakoto ama Kyeremanteng enti Mugabe ba beto 1005 no ba beto ama Kyeremanteng in this case ECG at a cost of about $200,000 or $300,000. This is serious. It's a serious matter that if it's not addressed, okay, say maybe containers kahabo say Ministry of Health. I ain't as our containers no. You to me and penifo beka say Marie free me say na otu for crowd na no to money adie ansana. Yes. I can't do very well. That time now I think you know good boys and they health or something. Yeah. Mwakwan is it? Mwakwan highways. There be back when the COVID mine. Ajima man. Yes. Now, Argentina, a hospital containers, etumi tina port wa ni bi obi ayira no mo san di bi ekoye because hospital kebu no de yenya India ni manento yenya infantini manento yenya businessman manento yenya copper e manenane enti enu bi eguho but when I'm say omo inside when agazemi business a woman untino they follow up and make sure say those containers either is being allocated or is being auctioned. But the problem is not even the allocation or the auction. Which people authorize the movement of the cargo?
And a cargo no soon to me pay without the authorization of
Gabi cargo no container no and yes Ubeko Vienna City was Sécret. Uko jina hona unubi kasa no abetina oka muna de nko.
Home dey.
Omo eko holi ni mde no.
Vienna City on.
When you process a machine na tamo sika so ama ya be inspection ya tray we be na sifo nyina ama na de piko. Entino say ye na say makwan you say social media. Egrofobia a container no the butterfly afem na amafo ye the politics any sifo na we be enye politics asemo.
A serious issue.
It's a serious matter. Nane na umbisa ho say ECG so ya ban adwuma. Obi mini Mugabe se ne papa mu a. Se ne papa mu a. Se ECG akra de aba. Na kwan bi so no wantumi entua ni duty.
ECG pa.
Senti abide ne sa to ade ne so.
Na ECG ne hwan de.
Na ban authority so tumi ye ocean. Na sa nyoma ni so ni individual bi ntumi yusu just ECG ana Greek ana VR ya.
Imagine.
Nanka sebi wadwuni nya adwuma kra na amanoda sumuna so nanka ye koton awanum ne ye from first.
Yeah, ECG for.
Na wo koton ama individual no oche power.
Basa de be ye adwuma.
Eno na ma indication straight say e nkrofo bi eni da ho bone se container na ba bedukura na de yentwintwan so a na mboro sa 60 days no ebru sa 60 days na ebekọ akodi abansem once a minimu omo a ewo sa eho na omo no mototo ni omo no yebesi akire ni ene omo akokeka se ne beya ye kase wo Mugabe ni ende amawa na wo Mugabe ni abo adon di amawa ya bonu donkomi fani 200 udi piepe enye wanwa se ECG no ni sika se ode be clear container no obi fa kwan su di pia bontin di obenyi skato na ECG nye nipa na yedwuma ho anytime there is a human institution no bone koso wo yi njozo obi wani wo
serious
Mugabe na enye honkoa e continue say the confire ya chinu ni eboni din ana cha manyo sa na mo ye nche odi ase ezi wo ne ho son e futo kakre bi ene wo mu a eko e de mase ene me ni je minister se ewe national security for ye adwuma na nipa 40 I container be 40 akopie baby obi ni ani na ho abasem Ghana fo so ho asem beba na minister se na wadi nkan kas wo ma obi a mfefi emeka ne ho no ye be sire ni a kire se adwuma bra sacrifice ankrofo yansa na National Democratic Congress wo be winner John Dramani Mahama be president no enye John Dramani Mahama asemu eya manfo ni bre video mu moja life and death anajuna grofo nam ni na ne akabo ano ana di nkunimdi ade e di aba Mugabe entina fence mi so MOB enfi se onu no mudu ni Mugabe si mi chief binding de enye kura no be ka she mama Mugabe because onu no ni Mugabe e ho de enye djuma kwan ya ye be fa so a obiara ni nsawom
melano ni
CPPU NDCU MPPU SYZU obiara sebitafra che odi sa enimguasie we edi bro man nana no o se pa ne hontoma sende beya ebi no wo fom Omodwuma ye no enkosoro mane men kra no abehia obi wo so but omu na prepare say adwuma no edi free from ho e de basro no they can also desist from behaving like this. Nene na saying ye ba power ye see dumso eno omo de nam no dumso na dumso na dumso Mugabe say do like to area you tumika say o NDC ni tie ba be so dem ni Agyarko for there e kenyina. That is the more reason why a big issues be soon as a national issue are where politics. No more quiet be kind be fast wa e be mad e bi ye be 2 year ama se began na phone nyina di ye no eno ene ka Mugabe container no e messy en krofo awia
te betimi ehun nyina
one container kwa mfa babia the operation is such that Mami free ayi send na be ko sister dey na sefo na memra fom na onu ati fo Asante ase. Mugabe 3000 container ni nyina ECG on the bill of lading. O dey enfa ni say atoyemchira to continue manayira. ECG will grab bill of lading of every container our import. Says our bill of lading no e could be national security inside national security will be to me call for the manifest proper manifest from the shipping line sa containers ni nyina no a container was our manifest so. Wow. In the manifest we pick our container ni ma we know whatever that is in the container. Wow. Apart from that no once I when your manifest na you say MV Mugabe ship no dey no MV Mugabe ono na dis our containers ni nyina ba Ghana no ye be request stevedoring company or yes stevedore eyi containers no say MPS a ye be ko MPS ye benya tallies na ehu sa containers no from 2020 when he came from the vessel and when he got into Ghana and which terminal they kept the container. Wow. Now when we get a total of the whole container now, the next step I hear Connie say how did the container exit the port? Bear in mind say ye from terminal to terminal I nyesi ku yimi omano nemo a DC state base in Ponti they call safekeeping. For instance ye contain the free harbor e dey call Atlasa officer. Okay. And I mean nipa ba ku claims me boss Michael Azaruche was who hear me o voter na me hu na je onu ni trade me what I say Officer asare onu na no operation manager on top of us we also text message that means you want to mention here can never be ka say bro go me papa Mugabe you be free sir issues we
let me say petition for removal of chief justice no and who some near boba na parliament and so yeah
and they have full test you Paul Sepenu. Wow Paul, thank you. I minia and yes say asem na bana ye pie because we be fisu ni maybe can't can be debi.
You know what you are talking about.
We want Ghana to succeed 1, we want President Mahamadu to succeed 3, we want the NDC to succeed. Boss the woman say Sanko moya edi o head ya mekai na head ya chairman kan ya utumi hu say ya amfanye project aso mine ni ahweni yen descende anko na yen yusu ECG 4KC amfa anko klini sa enyoma na ekoso ewo between the Ghana Ports and Harbors and the Customs Division na ye be adwuma we be wie term aya another term I dey tibia obija hwako amobi beba no say dream minister anyoma we ebekoso etima ene bebre
generation
na Mugabe ye nyina no enyiska good name
better than riches
send the be ya ebeje din bi ato ho my edano na make churu bi say the first inland port in West Africa was Atlas Dry Port.
In West Africa.
First inland port in West Africa, Atlas Dry Port, a family business.
Wow.
The first ever stevedore in Ghana. Kwame Nkrumah time, W Bani and Co.
Bani no.
Yes.
Bani and Co.
Yes.
Wow.
And you know, at least say waba from this yina unsu waba na wabesue bibia. It is better say unsu betumi achire wadwen na se Mugabe ti baby kura na obefa na de aka na adwuma ho a ohun say unsu wa contribute in a way. Now exactly. Now what we want to do is say we know it has to end. Yes, investigation we now in far reporting but now we just don't talk about it and let it go. Then the next term or the next year no will be a in a human institution, whether NDC or MPP, you still will find some bad notes.
Yeah, if you be SMS.
1 year careful. They agreed no. Ewekwa kujuri the yenina ya shishe no. Ekogu. And so when we get to the bottom of this one, thing I need say the minister looked at it and also there be criminal inquiry, investigation, and koso. Send a bear from step to step, no. You be to me who do you start here any day ko we. Nyamin chade. Abohono akwako ese parliament House of Records. Well, they are now sorry.
A House of Commons.
Catch now. Yeah. The beer could be a chere. The beer be a chere or habo. And now, Obia so you more habo bia onya home for soon said that chance and to me a day. Assemble to me about. I'm telling you. This will be experience man be a jumobio by catch.
On the primary trade too.
I red and blue. Yeah, he's right.
Black and gold.
Red and blue. Blue now we're in the red danger.
Makai. Okoyika akura.
Na micho na pain.
Pain. Now him say. Why cry we be na? We be back na. Ghana port and habo. Sa container na pie na yama we be. We be now the pie. Who the chere habo security? Now the chere national security. It depending on the cargo na wom no. We the agro standard board authority. Obia beheso. Aye sign kakra, aye sign kakra. Echina se muntra. Na the enkrofo dodging na ni se minister. Container bana ira na chese will be ship when the container be do then ye the to ha no bi ko hokobo kechiri so a edipie there be. E panacho. Womoma yehu se nyoma na ba ye no mo ntumi enyi no edrum pempen so a habo ni hihye mu no wantumi enyi enti efiri womu sa kodu friend say aban sem ena nkrofo efa so aye omo kana na ede twifa mu eno ntina ebetumi aba out to see ekuku container na friend say Mugabe say nyane sa oye de kakachem say container ni abehu bi ho na no wato na oye ho adwuma o to ni say na abo market ayi di dwa ho ye ni dwa ho enti sankrofo no mu ye den na omusa ye den e kan say na be ya say na krofo to uzo bi ase no message say catch this one messenger crazy enche no director we MD board say a cartel indeed next start from decision making from board that we will know. Say idea drop down from managing director level we will know. Say from operations level to commercial to procurement we will know. You feel why near about GPH no the last man at the top no may not know. Na terminal na ye allow sa container no say managers wo ho ye will senior officers or junior officers wo ho those officers who came together omo kan mo adwene bo ho no we will know custom officer or no at the level no or no so ema final authority until no exercise and preventive say adwuma no allow ye ma container ni ko no we will know. National security officer our duty our duty into official national security into our authority because by the virtue of a national security no officer is associated close to the corridors of powers into using the powers and they allow man we will get them
standard board
I'm for a better amount for
say nyasankofo when you is serve as deterrent echina Mugabe. What you need to do is a national security coordinator. Crowd, you say, you won't go and do it. papa ye boni this on no na ye custom officer no na ye manu commissioner de ni so ye no kwotena ho nye den onye me ye de me ko GPH de ni say me ye no me ye den me nye na afina de na beda ho clean finally sir after 60 days na ye confiscating your man enkrofo edo ho aye brunya eno ho no mu da ho no mu didi eno de ye yi kola ye nya do ye otu
ye dey board ne be ma approval me boa
eno ma dey no
say ye sa and containers
yes
ya cry
yes and at the same board no before I will be approval for maybe another 300 container no board no you should know say first 500 no ya clear na you clear
you see why now mo ko edidi no
they no come out I don't know who release the account and before the board will give that approval because the money involved is huge and at the
board chairman
oh obviously any members
about board chairman
ECG na one ewo
Samato kwesi
ECG na board chairman what oyo ba na
asa Afenyo mo ko ya Afenyo na
na
Afenyo Markin
and na one list mo bibia Afenyo kan songo mo ma ko ho to Afenyo mo mi ni ho to mi ni afantini
no say ho
what is wages no
o say ho
no what is wages
no say ho adron ko difference o no nya
ade na dro no no
kasanya nya
chawa de na dro no no
enti
asem
do saka abaya sasa nkanyo change of government ama nkanyo
ordinary Mugabe change there is good
very
change there is good every change come with resistance.
Fantastic.
They will try and tell you say oh na John is not good na it's not John na only good. Change na e ba no. E ba be affect. Afi candidate na mo say kan sisa no candidate ni ko win no ba ya. Mo si tiri ko pacho. Eya na mo so onye no. No abano onye de enyim nya na musie tire sa ko pacho aire
ezo jam say slow down na nko phone so mafu bedem bruta
me hade over I'm going to make sure I will now hand over to my party now we see tire say onye ore
yeah chief indemnity clause no ejuma na
is it any
chairman na say container ira have indemnity clause into me ira
okay
ya me to me fellow hadi we papa wa mama me sanfa to me mano SN6 me say 7 December ni ebe
yes
ye be hwe obi ami me magitumi afene se me sanfa to me mano
me to me farmer
dabi
enye
juma china
me farmer chinya no
a video one hour say ho no na tire pacho
minti me farmer chinya obi
yo kwase wache woni me
oh kakra kresro
so no
what's very well
ma me ka sem so oliavo eduma na wo ho no
esa ka nipa be 5 kwa da
Mugabe ti eduma na wo ho no Ukraine and Yami
Mugabe
eduma na wo ho no you need the poster of the president
he's doing well
because ekoye wa na we see about that
Mugabe uni madam fu
be ke sumwasi se na we see ama wa blue
so me wia ajo asori de nyina
we e be da to ababa
madam fu bi say senka oben president na nka obetumi na kasa ka oni na nkasa ma yense niema na wo hwehwe mu o de wanfa wanya ka kwan kora mepe onko so hwehwe se niema na onye sika
no my friend businessman he said the same thing yeah
onye sika ni
let me pay almost 60 to 70 years so open na ye here MPP party na wo ho emi to test onya kwanya som Nana Addo dan Akufo Addo, including Nana Addo Mankasa. And somewhere carry one home. Ebadu baby no kura no mampani beja bia man ne yankasa so mu ne fa mra yankasa ne be kase emra di ho ye de mra kwan na be handle say e bo obi adwuma wa ye so ne bo ne property si ho so a na ye ma show na kuma say ya ba
Jesus
no bi sa ho say so ni pa no nam ho no ne na bra bot say and e wo say ni pa bo bra ko na ni die but too much.
Your project did 11 years.
Yes, too much.
So Ghana Water Company Limited. He took all the transportation contracts. He gave himself 300 contracts. Road fund to. He gave himself over 100 road contracts.
And where's I'm working?
At ECG, within 3 months, 490 million Ghana cedis mixing. Afenyo Diamba.
Gabby, no, sir. Where's I'm working?
Body panidi.
Kindly send my profound regards to the panelists, especially my good brother Chief Bani, and then Chamanteria. This is coming from Dr. Gezi, for my
Hey, my senior brother. He also did a good job at the fire service.
Mugabe, program where you contain assembly, say to me take a week or a day. In a day, a week. She's buying a veterans for 101. Now, otchere, Niniama, otchere, Miyama Ghana, Fuatiasia. Any Nienti Assassin Nipa MPP, I took you for a Casano, a co prisoner. And your prison, make a coup. Prison, all the fando, Sicano.
There's some more high labor.
Yes, because you're just Kennedy Agyapong, Sabian, crooked to anyone. When you can end them,
Monsieur Chairman, me to an operation, you know. Fikesi operation. 1,000 on the container.
No. When am I wouldn't say? Yeah, 27 houses.
Previously, they are going
39 million Ghana cedis.
One casa. Who them now? And they will king size bed now. That's no. Cheme corner order.
And where do you sleep? And in Chelsea, back was your order.
Thank you. Tell my baby, I Chelsea back also do. What petty house?
If you are sitting here,
you can't any Musanu, Fanta ne fire. What that one corner?
Mamma Musanu,
say no Fanta ne fire. That one corner.
Mugabe, yeah. Two baby. No, who say one year? Some youth affected Ameyaw.
Yes.
The Utu baby, a new Nipanidi. In Sua one, baby, what down? Not say any panel, sorry, I could send like to a Bamau. Now, dinner brag, I mean, find so.
Never. Especially look at our horse.
Now, friend, one say, was I be Joe Quain? Now, was I could cabro dear? Now, I bet now I come in the way you answer. A small bar, what I tell you, you per circle. Now, what be a friend say, and Tomoa, a cow. Now, the colonel not so jacket him, Charlie.
It's not easy.
It's not easy. Now, young Kwana, young.
It's not easy.
Now, and this is any pana brass.
It's not easy.
Now, men found home chow. Now, the enemy were coming to one. Say, Mra, a beshare bossy
in the UK.
Yeah, then Kania near the Mamu. Wow, say, Kania no a debama, and no one a container, say, before some Akotono. Now, what you will be an answer as a national security for your man and say, hey, and you're witch hunting.
Now hena HMR senior ko approve the year approve ma waso container APF report e wo report what be na say every across city bo no ni bi ameche ni twi o se what be da e bin see that
city abo ho hey me say committee fa national security fa Afenyo Markin feso
so mo picking on
that's what picking immediately that's what try
former Mahamadu Bawumia
I say you picking it Kwabena one fa so ko pamo no ya
o kasa wo e Kwabena mo fa so
e ko pamo no na container de bedu mreben.
Hey, Gabby, yet you say, what I say, be see, you are corrupt me. Now, I mean, Fantina make me back to do a dream one. I said, Benny, what's what corrupt me? Escape. But next time, my girl Fanti, Marty,
you see, Ogami, share, it's my but it's Suma do. Almost 70% illiterate. In any kind of nature, and Yama Queen 30%.
That's true.
Nearly 2 million showers.
Yeah.
And at 30% in 70% abro. What I say? One day one uncle sent Jumani to tax. And son, I want Jumani to be a trial, can send you to tax a thing.
That's true.
And say any penny in the
Coco. Oko fuma wo kan ko
na me say
this and say
what to buy you kura so no nsuo ton asa aboa ma ho ayo ohene eso obeton ba yire no ma me no de ne bro de buy ne bank no ma me ne fin kra ba no ka cho say nya wo anka me ma 20 cedi no eso 20 cedi ne nso nchene ni mako
ka tell no lawyer
so
doctor for Joma
na so sane no anu oboa no ama ne bana koduru ba bi ese so obu
na ne say hand over nyina na bibi o
na da bibi ni wo say
I don't know
but they say usura wadi jaye so unyo ba pa
usura wadi jaye
unyo ba pa
no the chama me say I say me fast a case
Chibani pa
na me say me
say wa we
baby say me single say how do I
and we done
ya koto we me ba
the by studio I say me be dia koto sem
there was one family there we done here
me say wasem na o kana me say mafa
say usura wadi jaye
we know about me just say so usura say we be sisan ya we know more pregnant papa
now they kan now the kwaware
we know more pregnant papa yeah they are going to many men they didn't see that
now the kwaware
now do we no catch us we do be full by yankee hey na me no konyo ba me ware no osisa nka ko wale oba we nka me
se mhuna
ana ona na beda ona na ko na mu
chairman
omo wi o man no
na me mo yo man
we house asem ni emienu ukoka chairman was go to court ukoka was go to court etikate no omo adoso bie mu abasate ai bibia nti we no wan hweyi na se wan twitwa free top amada woche no kra na de kwa was menye he ade no ene ye toye ene ye ntumi yi ene kwa ba ho ene abade maye ene ye toye ene ye so ye beton ma o mo ne be ni aye
na mogabi na undi so di ni papa on for tira po no ko ni bo ya de na do atira ko mo bo na mra ni ye campaign ya ka kire ewiase fo nyina se mo me nya mistake ni mfa tumi en papa insa na ntumi e ma Ghana ntumi na e ma de
no de se nyaho
but we na chia ya kai yes uza mi kai ya mi kai oh ni na chi na nya na ya na o na mo ba ye kro no a obebo
ai papa yo de se uni po ikumsin
kofi
so na say we mu de nkamri tie we mu na say say Ibrahim Adam ko pon chew sipa yankin ko pon chew ese ko pon chew tachichu ko pon chew say kwa ye fa so di wonu tum e ya kwa papa bele say financial loss to the state we are more than that
dana gbadapi
yes dana gbadapi
the late Solomon
ya ma Solomon be wu ya na say ni peti wonu obi ka kire wo say adenene mo haraje
we a financial loss to the future of the state.
Yes. So, again, you didn't so much to let me to
now a future. Now a future.
Yes,
then you didn't so much to Solomon. Let me to Solomon. And then you got to obey Uriah.
Uncle.
You didn't be assuming you didn't like the Picotum. And the assuming you didn't to get a no was.
Ocho tete
yes
opuni
ne
agongo
dia ni dira
so ne bank
yes emergency
ebra ye ni na
enne MPP fo ntwo na ni nkoyo na chi no mu akontan hwe wono man no ni bu ye ni secretary bia wona fa ene ye nkrofo eso dia ni fa meto abonten
e ma na se hwe de o candidate dey hwe ni se kokoto ni e fa ofifia ni edu ko sa
straight
you don't have to go to court
because time on the church no ni we no kon o ba do no na set that down kasi ho bibia ho
na o chama o si
o kon wa
mo gabi kra ni a set game oni abisa oni aguga
na mo dey we national security be farm opposition but actually me ko twa shia ye ntoto ba bi adu me ka kire obi ta mani ye to aba me ka kire say a democratic revolution election
say nyina idea hojim
a democratic
announcing okay
a democratic revolution election and you
ni saba kokko afa ni tiri de
revolution is the democratic revolution election
yes
yes
ochine ko ya ma ho de
because at that time we did tia microphone
udufu mo kakra
two years thing na no ne ya to sika bu sa ne service ko na etwa na bin see that Bank of Ghana chemical chair say ya the sika ko bank no aboka in the history of this country 1957 no set camera we fi e ba bi eko Bank of Ghana rani aboka na mo mu wa aboka no so sa bank bi aboka 20 rani bank ntiwagburu
imagine
that's how it
the bidder
sikani so the CC bank no e kana
o Bank of Ghana na ma license no wa rani aboka mimi local bank no so rani me na kan just ma bo
sikana heso
yes
ne sikana so heso
boka
nya kabia say bia 62 billion
e bi sida na say ni pa we tuwo didi valen samosre
elise onise odidi
dabi obeda didi that's when the ban ya kai ya chi revolutionary time June 4 1981
obeti America no ode national security ni we mo kokko
yes
sama ba OSP ma awura mi fi
ma ba wo mi fi
abodam ma
nya me nwanwa kanofori nya me nwanwa ni papa you the same thing
atema ndesa na wo is still
so is
ni papa
no boy the same thing another papa finance minister
that I know
then one for ni Dr. Helen
how person ka say na ni papa so share white ana
na tare no sharon
well
aman no share white ko ba bia ni pa mu se kanofori tare ba
ube ma me dem call ani white ntimi fi o
me so me call ani white
me make sure say
kasa
medisu
but the star no na kan for that ashe no na ba sesem kakra any chain no dey
ko sun ko tu bible be
dabi any chain no dey to ko mu
ma chain to dey me pepper o let me chain them ko mu
but who is actually for that ashe but tegeda
dabi and the one but takani dey ta ma ni
bogabi babia kan ofori atani na nado dan Akufo Addo go isi region fu enu mase papa ne kwa na meka kire on kwa yo na foso obu o man eni enu buase eba
Akufo ko
yes se o fra o hu se o yo chini na we ho
wow
yes no begense ni ni so na motenten na nado dan Akufo Addo wagu achimfu enu mase kan ofori ata
chenko no mbrem
yes achenkwa no mbrem ena achenkwa asabudi nsuo eyen kwan kura wuntumi ni nkawa ni nsuo no mu biemu tete nkawa no ane ayi abobo nsukura na de nsuo ni tin nsuo ni adidi nsu ebi ni obi adidi nsu bo nsuo ni saa na eyen ni nyina ebi ni say yes ya kan be kan ma de achi be ya samu an say omonbani John ni ma hweni ya de ye wo hwo hawe de otu na ma we ho sam kura ni say in 2013 na je shi ha na we shi anu bi no na satu okubase no na nka sabe moni amashi mu ko fi as mo beto emu kakrako agwa kakrako ntira minister say enam sa prekupe wa mo a ohunti je ngi hurolu
jama hono What means so there senior party member and what party I see. Chama, one thing that must study a hard is I say you focus about what is the government doing. But she say nipa pa na ya. See better stop nipa na. Or say party ne make issues who no be any form where protect government. Send a bear on the bonnier for no. Utumi who now can abana the desire day. Asabe sonimu. Asema okay, obi look, I was listening to a program last. And almost so I didn't need to me see na me sending presenter a message say massa unye politician jai. Say obi to me tina how more pon dey obi be to me abo. As to so obi abo po dia yenim but obi be to me ayere abo sa pon. Ati si emie ni na se amfa ye ni sa de na chi. Ne ahwe kwan be fa so a say be a whistleblower oti asembia wotumi akama aban empenifo anamo waban mu ana security apparatus itu anamo ne aya sema obehwa na se kasa na omo de sa nsehunu no se be kafra asan e de aba betwi edwuma papa wo ye nyina de ade e de ye asan e de be na udwan fa akoma ketai onko wani oja say
yo it for we a reporter abato ye proso meka say so unya subscribe to channel idea bomodi ase obe subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na we bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanom oso betimi a chere wadwen afa eye ensemo nyina ho e wo comment box no mo beti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.